Garage door openers. So recently my problem was that I had door was working fine. The door rolls fine by itself. Um, and so I had it in this position down. The trolley and everything was here, and we took the belt off in this position. I replaced the belt, and then when I went to try to use it, the motor would make a very loud grinding noise. It would lift a little and then stop. So of course I started looking for videos and asking AI, and everything they suggested wasn't working. So it wasn't until I realized that trolley, the motor thought it was back here for some reason. So the motor thought that it was back here, and so it would pull as if it was closing the garage, but it was already closed. So it was hitting this nut, one of these nuts up there. And so that's why it would lift a little and then stop and make that horrible noise. So what you have to do is loosen this, detach it. You have to detach it here, pull this, and then detach it. And you can actually put this back up like it is now. Put it back up, and then loosen the tension on the belt, and then pull this piece that way, like the garage is opened. Actually, I think you can just detach it from the door, and I think I had to pull it manually. I think the motor, if it's detached, the motor won't work because it knows nothing's on there. It will just blink. This is a Chamberlain whisper drive. So you want to pull it yourself back to that. There's another like stop nut back here. You'll pull it there, and then you'll tighten your spring to, at least with this one, it's 1 1/4 inch. Once you do that, make sure the belt's on its grooves, and then go push the button, and then that will basically act like it's closing the garage, and then it actually went into that thing, the trolley, all by itself and connected. And then I pushed the button, and then it raised it back up and closed it just fine. So your problem could be is that your motor thinks the garage is already open, and you need to basically realign your whole trolley thing to the back. I think it can also think it's closed, and you may have to send it forward, because I think another video was showing that the thing was trying to go this way. Mine was just the opposite. It was going that way. So that could be your problem if it's a loud grinding noise and it moves and then doesn't do anything. Try that. Also see which way it pulls, because I didn't notice it at first, but it tried to close it when it was already closed. And if yours is trying to open when it's already open, you just need to change that. Hope that helps.